तुम्ही उलटे घ्यायचा बरं का बोल सर
यूजुअली हम लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं
His English is not that so great. He is saying that how they do wear, but
Can you show us how a book is issued here?
actually usually done we have started in our departmental library, not here right now. Yes.
What about the books here? I mean, if you want to get a book issued here.
Yeah, the catalog is there.
Yeah, show you method of issuing.
She is my assistant librarian. Students can find it here. Students can
Fine. The student brings the book to your counter. How will you issue the book?
Yeah. It is the issuing from the.
That's what you said.
We are following brown issue system, brown issue system. See, it is like that. Students are given library card and iCard, and this is his card. The card is with him. See, this is
How many cards are
typical
given to
brown
a
system. One student, one card for undergraduate and for MCOM. We issue 2 cards. For even our BBA students also there are 2 cards. And we one more good thing is that the one who wants an additional card he has to pay just 100 for the whole thing. We do issue as many as cards.
How long would it
For 7 minutes. One book for 7 minutes. And can be issued if there is no can be reissued.
don't care of comment
Sir,
How you issue a book? Let me see.
yeah. See, of course I will show you. See, this card is there.
They will bring it
And
across.
this is in the
In the book.
yeah.
Okay.
And this card is in the book. Whenever a student wants book, we just pick the card from the book and keep it here and put the data on the book. See, it is like that.
What is the role of barcode? then?
Barcode.
What is the role
Actually,
of barcode?
yeah, that's what I'm saying. Here only barcode we are using barcode technology and issue we have started in the departmental library.
Why not get it?
We are starting. It is in process. It is in process.
Pune people all writers those books are
Actually, these are the textbooks for the syllabus sections. They do demand these books only. Sir, if you want to see the biography section, it is also
Sir,
very good.
Radhakrishnan biography.
Yeah.
Actually, you have purchased lot of books.
They are issued. Many of them are issued. Sorry?
They want purchase books, textbooks, students.
Students, actually they do purchase, but they do see the textbooks are for one subject there are 2-3 textbooks. They do purchase one, and for others, for other reasons, they do get from the
There are
library.
several authors
Yeah.
who write the books. No? So what happens? A student may purchase one book, but it may be possible he might refer the other
Other
authors.
authors.
So that's why we purchase.
For single author, you have purchased so many books. That's why for single author, you are purchasing so many books. Instead of that, you can go for some other authors.
Yeah, we are. Actually, frankly speaking, the thing is that sir, for some books, only few people only write. So we have to take because we have to give them to the students. See, for banking, only Nirali and Diamond are writing the books. So that is the case. For some books, there are so many publishers. So for that, we purchase few books. This is the importance. Taxation is there from quietly informed.
But purchasing taxation book is total waste.
Yeah, it is waste,
yeah,
but
every year.
really everywhere. Even we have to purchase. We are purchasing that students write income tax 25 copies, and every year we are withdrawing.
you just take
Okay, sir.
tells you
बॅटरी गेली
Through in this row we are sorry.
this book for this I asked her but in the note to see so Joshi sir chair then I can get on chair Joshi sir chair
See, through inflation we are getting each journal more than 1,35,000 e-books access we have.
So,
Right now you are
how
at
many,
7
how many
systems.
teachers actually access this e-book?
Generally, all of them for their seminar paper, they do it.
Do we have a log of that?
Yeah, we have a record.
Can you give me electronic log for last 3 months? Or how many faculty members have
Just
given this?
for English from English for English.
Analyst, analyst.
I will show. Shall I give the paper also?
Yes.
generally they prefer when they write their seminar paper at the time of their research. Shall I proceed from here?
Divik.
Having capacity of 140 each. There is BBA departmental library also. There are also sitting capacities 35 students. So this is the infrastructure. Library collection, as I said, 55,210 books, 27,276 titles among them. Periodicals we are having 83, 50 journals, magazines and newspapers. Observation collection of gramophone records, and we have some braille books also. E-resources also include 168 CDs, e-books, audiobooks and some online journals also we are having. These are the new additions.
How many audiobooks we have?
Audiobooks right now we are having 7. Library Advisory Committee, normally 3 to 4 meetings are there in every year. Procedures to be maintained. Yeah? Yes. Yes. That is. And if, of course, we take, if there is any requirement, we take any extra meeting also, and there is continuous contact with the members of Library Advisory Committee. So that is there.
Minutes.
These are the regular practices of issuing of books, display of periodicals, syllabus, all examination papers are there, brochures, library, literature service. Here you have seen that Know Your Library project, subject displays and book suggestions forms. Box is also there. These are something specialities. At the time of admission only we issue identity cards to the students. We are having separate printer for that and for the identity cards. And so the student who takes admission gets his identity card right from the beginning. Identity card. Yeah.
So the admission process is such that once, say for example, students have entered, he will complete the entire process, and when he is going out, he will be getting ID card, he will be getting college annual, everything he will get.
Even the academic calendar, library card, everything he gets at the time of admission itself.
Identity card or smart card?
It's
It's
ID
smart,
card.
it's an identity card.
It's not a smart.
Not.
It's not a smart card. Sorry. Additional library card service is there to all the advanced learners for income students, as I said, and those who wish to have book banks. Just see the strong book bank we are having. Roughly, on an average, around for last 3 years, we are giving book bank to around 300 students. Institutional membership is there about of library. We are having British Council library card, 20 cards we are having. We do issue them to staff and students, and they get the facilities. For research scholars, Berkeley Institute's research library is available. For that also we are having few cards. Of course, our membership is there with Maratha Chamber of Commerce and Industries and Agriculture Library. Inter-library loan is with our sister concern 2 libraries, Abasaf Darwari College and Institute of Management, Career and Courses. Extended library facilities for our past students are also available. We do allow them to sit in the library. Of course, if they want to sit, we do charge them. Charge some deposit from them. And library facilities are there for the retired staff members always. Specialties also include a section of competitive examination. It is there in the reading hall. It is having open access and it is there. Reader book database, you just told you about it. Free distribution of books.
Read a book and get a pen. Is
Sorry.
explain what
Yes,
is
sir.
read a book and get a pen.
Madam, the fine.
Extracts the grammar.
See, few books we display. Actually, we just focus on the books which are good, and generally students don't read. We focus on
These are not the textbooks, sir.
We issue
These are the
them.
reference books, or this may be from the literature
And
books.
at the time of issuing them, we just give them a paper to write the abstract on it. We have given them guidelines also how to write an abstract. They write the abstract, they submit it back, and we offer them.
Just to ensure that they have read the book.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
But also the thing is that we very good abstracts. Students are writing good abstracts. So that is byproduct of our.
you can show us any abstract.
Yeah, so
That-
these are fine and we are.
All the
Yeah. Please want to see. Actually, we display also.
All the abstracts are 50 years.
We have started this in the last 5 years only.
So this is only for whatever document we are showing, it is only for 5
5
years.
years.
कच्चा म्हणते याचं मराठी
Yeah.
understand
Okay.
Is there any
But still, few English
So
also.
it is-
They might have abused you.
Actually, many of our students are from Marathi medium, so they are very familiar. But we do okay.
English का.
But they are reading this book in English.
It is there.
Title of the book is at any cost.
Some would have said,
Title of the at any cost. Writing the abstract in Marathi.
Yeah.
So the thing is that, sir,
they might have abused their PhD.
Actually, we
yeah, that's okay. No, no, sir.
He said, yeah.
I understand that. See, our students are majority from the rural backgrounds, and we, as a college, we try to give instruction in English medium. But as per the university rules,
This is good. Can be best practice.
They can write both in
actually we are examining the literary skills also with
And
them.
my point is that if they can read and understand the book in English, why can't they?
why should we?
Yeah.
That's
That is the point. I
That's
think.
the.
So English they have written some.
The book is in English.
Ah.
The book is in English.
Then we are having a light reading facility also from January to April. In those days, our reading hall we keep open till 9 p.m.
having a book bank facility, sir. Question bank facility, right?
Yeah.
Night reading hall facility from January to April, what you know?
We do keep reading hall open till 9 o'clock in 9 p.m.
During examination.
Why
During-
3 months?
During examination, that's why from January to April.
Study holidays.
Yeah, study hall.
Do you annual system or semester system?
Sorry?
For some courses we have annual system, for some courses we have the semester system. Particularly the self-finance courses are semester system courses. The grant in aid courses are annual courses.
Like your BCom is annual system.
Yeah.
Yes.
Comedy semester.
Same part of semester system.
MCA semester.
Yeah, self-financing course.
Other
They
self-financing
are-
courses.
they are semester system.
Even online learn students also work
What
in
is
the
this?
school. Sorry.
Swatantra year.
Swatantra Veer Savarkar.
Every hall we are maintaining some things from them. Booking diary, booking is over in the library.
So in order to if I have to take a lecture over there as a visiting lecturer or whatsoever, I need to come here. They don't have diary. I need to book that.
Even
And
if you want
that
an laptop
slot
or
is and
something, that
facilities are
also-
booked.
Yeah.
So nobody will, during that period will intrude. Which is
You get your own commercial.
yeah. She is all the majority of the infrastructure.
But as you said, it is really sometimes there are fights. No, no.
That's why so many teachers
And to solve problems.
and teachers are wishing you, I think.
Do we have such a rush for the facility there?
Yeah, it is there. It is there. You want to see the diary?
Diary.
All booking to diary रखा.
Next,
Okay.
next.
Then books in forms of gifts, that is also very good practice. We have started from last 3 years. Whoever comes in college, generally we offer bouquet. But in place of bouquet, we offer books also to many of our
But not to
places.
the name member.
Yeah. For No, no, but still
We have a land. Land to
We will not give you zero.
Beginning, because this bouquet, you are resting.
No, no, but
Sir, we have noted every your valuable suggestions.
For next 20 minutes, we have everything now in future. It cannot be.
even prizes and all also we offer in form of
And we have annual prize distribution and then also we offer books
Gifts,
instead of the cash
prizes.
prizes. Students also get the books.
In that case, you invite old neck.
This is a book exhibition. Synopsis of book exhibition. Very good response. People really wait for that. Because two more things I would like to tell you that college also offers. We have actually have planned in our budget. We have.
Publishers do offer certain amount of discount and college in addition to the same also offers
Offers
additional
10%
discount.
discount.
To whom?
Yeah.
To the students. Students who purchase
Free
this
books.
particular exhibition.
For any
purchase
book,
of-
any
any
for
book.
purchase of any book, we offer extra 10%. So actually,
No, anyways the book they are displayed in the
The
exhibition.
college is.
Otherwise,
We will
you know,
see your
what type of book there is.
There is a book fair that is held and generally the
Out of
coupons are to
book,
be
yeah,
emitted in the book fair.
In the college.
it is a book.
Yeah, college.
The
This
coupons are to
book
be
fair
emitted
is
in the book fair.
Other are James Bond and
No, no.
No, 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 sir.
Actually, for getting the bookseller also, we actually have some
Norms already set.
And we have made the provision in our budget.
Next one.
This is the e-library. OPEC is there. In list, I told you that the e-books are.
Osho's books are available in the library.
Sorry.
Osho's book.
Osho's book is available, so please get.
Read good.
This is digital library. This is a setup of digital library. 7 computers. They are there. For staff and students, we are having good CD collection also. So they can watch the CDs over here.
Please clear the book.
Oh yes, yes, please.
And we have developed institutional depository also. Our college magazine, that is Sri Lanka. We have digitized since
From the
1968.
very first.
See, like this is only we are this thing. Go ahead.
With all these institutional repositories there. This is library website. You will like to see the, I will show you the library website. This is the library website. We are getting good hits also from there. This is about library. Good collection or everything. I will like to show you some specific things about this. Specialities I have mentioned. New arrivals list also is there on the website. Syllabus, see syllabuses also, and these are
All these are
directly
correct,
downloaded.
Yes,
Yeah.
Just that please.
Even some, this is really a very good website and the students really enjoy it.
What is this? Total budget.
It's a percentage of research budget.
This is actual college budget.
This is actual.
This is actual budget.
Yeah,
This is
since I will like
Total
to.
budget, 7.8%.
Where declined in 1967.
So, salary budget have increased. That is the reason why.
It has eaten into research budget.
So, salary budget will be increased, it will start decreasing.
That's what I'm saying.
So, this is the formula of the college. The 7th Plan Commission again, it will increase, it will go down. May come at 0 level certainly.
But since this is increases part of the student.
Yes.
That's why we need percentage.
Okay.
That's why we need percentage.
250.
So it should be around 45%. It should be 5%. 45%. Yes.
So for last 5 years, this is the incremental growth. Actually, the reading hall was there in that unexpected previously. But because of the active suggestions of the we have shifted in these 2 halls now. This is a good thing. These are the things. Even BBA departmental library also shifted and rearrangement in the strong book bank, in-house PDC, whatever these.
You cannot say strong. You cannot give it everything.
But still good number.
Be honest. Be honest. Be honest.
10%, but still. Yeah, it
We
is.
are PAT members, not students. Be honest.
Okay.
PAT.
Okay.
These are the recent developments.
This is also wrong
Yeah.
statement. Books in place of-
Online issue written BBS to BBS system, subscription to this EPW database, and of course, yeah, one more thing I would like to show you. We have purchased a smartphone for the library because our students are very much very used to the user friendly. As our crowd is undergraduate students, we have purchased and we are starting offering services to smartphone. Of course, we are not creating any group on WhatsApp, but broadcast. See, students ask for this syllabus copy or paper sets. We can send them to the.
So you have the contradictions.
Yes.
You say they book and go there and go. Now can say
Actually, there is a type of
each other.
actually
The
the
purchase of smartphones is increasing all over India.
Why not?
And now we cannot say, at least in case of smartphones, I think.
So you cannot say here poor student. You cannot
actually
enter
the
this.
Most people do have the smartphone these
smartphone
days.
Your poor student cannot enter the boundary of this college. You have fee and everything there.
So that is only for the self-finance courses.
Granted.
So granted.
As per university.
Yes.
That's government rules.
Absolutely. And we have to give the installment facility. We have made the arrangement of the donations for them. Even drought affected students are there. For them, we have arranged fees from collected donation from the teachers. And we have paid the fees for them.
Once they come and we start speaking English, they run away.
No, for them.
So it has to be essentially a bilingual method.
even smartphone technology we are using to provide current awareness and contact service. Yeah.
Still not able to understand. How do you send it email on smartphone?
Through WhatsApp.
We have megabyte files. How do you send to WhatsApp? We have
Actually,
different
we-
syllabus or
Broadcast.
papers.
They are in small.
Huge files there.
No, they are not that huge. Actually, we just send them the one question papers that.
They have started to show us whom you have sent.
Why we are doing
Madam,
it?
You are the
show
current-
actually what you have done.
Why we are doing it? Why we
Even this current contents, I will show you.
why we are keeping them away from library?
No, we are not keeping them away
If they can come here and
from
answer, why you send them?
They are very limited.
See, actually, I will show you this group of teacher, for example. We have shown the same new journal of marketing as it comes. We just ping them. Okay, this is there in the library.
That's okay, that's fine.
See, this for accountancy people.
For teachers.
For teachers.
Madam.
For students.
Please answer the sir is
I
asking.
get that. Our aim, we need to bring this to the library.
That's, it is
Like we are
there.
taking them away from the
I
library.
think they are
We
very
are
limited.
extending.
Madam, so there are two things which are simultaneously working. One is that use of library. It may be by displaying the new arrivals, maybe by way of conducting the exhibitions, maybe by way of read a book and get a pen. So we are trying to increase the usage of the library, but at the same time we do not leave ahead or behind. Due to the technology, they should also get the service, but due to that they should be connected to the library.
That's okay. On one hand, we have not been able to issue the barcode in the library. But we talk of technology.
Sir, self-finance we have 100%.
So make
Maybe things start at the top.
It's-
I
it's
don't
in the
agree.
process.
I don't agree with you.
Yes.
The things start at the top and then go to the bottom.
Yes.
It's not like we have started one part and laid library and divide all this.
Yes.
It's never happened.
Yes, correct.
We start from the laid library and then go to the
What we
library.
need, we have to introduce the barcode system, everything here.
Why we are putting
Instead of
barcode
sending
in the
the-
library here?
Madam,
Why we are putting barcode on the books and not
Yes.
issuing them? What kind of technology we are using?
Actually, we are starting.
We have to be very clear about it, what kind of technology we are. On one hand, we are going ahead with the Android application. The basic technology we are not implementing.
Yeah, definitely. Sir, again,
Yeah.
I would like to.
For issue of books.
आपल्या वेगवेगळ्या सिस्टीमच्या चालू केल्या होत्या आणि आपलं मायग्रेशन होणार सांगा ना. आता एका सिस्टीमवरून दुसऱ्या सिस्टीमला
Actually,
Why did we go from barcode and self-finance? Why not in the middle library? What is the reason for that?
Frankly speaking, so reason is that our system vendor is costing, means he's charging us very high.
We had actually
And the thing is
My
that.
space is very limited, I think. Only 100 students, 150 students, and you have more than how many years or 50?
And the thing is that actually we have, right now we are having separate library software and we are integrating it with the college library software. Yeah.
And the library space.
आपली रीडिंग कॅपॅसिटी
Reading capacity 180.
Very limited, it's very limited out of the 2,000 students. More how many students here? And total students.
So actually, the thing is that we are having two sessions.
टाइम स्पॅन इज
Time span is different and at the time of examinations we do open few classrooms also for the students.
During the examination, we give them say till 9 a.m., 9 p.m. Or maybe 10:30 p.m.
Sir, additional classrooms are open
Also, they are
so
there.
that
Of course,
sit there and study everything.
That is the reason you have the limited space. So yeah.
These are the future
प्लान में आपका
plans.
मुकाबला नहीं फ्यूचर प्लान में आपका मुकाबला नहीं
Yeah. Website we have created, but we are trying to put this open on the space also. We are planning to purchase a software for the digital library.
Osho's books
No,
available.
no, it is
Osho.
Osho books.
Only that?
No, I mean,
Sir, these are but in Marathi I have opted.
मराठी हिंदी बुक देना आमचे चालेल.
English इतकं बघा मॅडम नाही English. There are few books but they are in Marathi.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. But Ma book is there, if it is available.
Ma is there.
Brought from
माँ आहे का बघा.
Mother.
Osho's library or Osho's library.
Sir, it is 111. Okay. Right now.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. We will be in the exhibition. But this is the NSS office where we our no, 100 students, they are only selected students here, space constraint, and his presentation and everything will be taken place.
Okay, you remember that song, Hum Hoge Karyab? It's a sing. We shall overcome.
We shall overcome.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
Presentation you want to show?
Sir, tomorrow only it is.
Sir, staff room
Yeah.
of all teachers criticizing principal and management.
No, sir.
Acha, one thing you have meeting with the faculty. Teaching and non-teaching.
Sir, non-teaching meeting is there after the presentation. Yeah. And for teaching. Yes, sir. In fact, for the commerce presentation.
What is this? Your baby house, small baby house. No. You go down to maternity.
Yeah, some of us.
You sure those are?
Yes, sir.
Classroom, open the classroom. Everything should be open.
What kind of case studies did you have? What kind of problems did that have?
Case studies, they have full software engineering sort of like CID, DRT, so they do theoretical. And networking
How many hours of computer teaching is going to be completed for you?
for the subject 4 lectures per week.
How many subjects we have?
We have 3 subjects. For first year we have CCP.
Every year 3 subjects. We have
First
3
year.
of those. The 9 subjects that we
No, that is for BCom. For BCom.
BCom.
This is for BCom. In BCom we have specialization in computer application. So for that we have these 3 things. First for CCP, that is for FY BCom. For SY BCom we have CAB1, that is for DB script and Oracle. And in TY BCom we have software engineering, networking and cybersecurity. So it's a 3 years sort of specialization in computers. So instead of costing, banking, they have specialization in computer application.
It was decided by the university.
Yes, specialized. And then practicals and all.
Of it will be restricted. Like it is syllabus. And when you buy the system,
So previously they have regular machines, but it consumes more electricity and as well as power supply and everything. So we changed that system and we previously this lab was actually on BCA lab, so we transferred everything. And it's working since 2-3 years. And it's quite beneficial because we share the resources. And it's very easy to manage
you
also.
see, things can be useful in the case of ASP and all.
But for BCom student, they don't have such courses. Tomcat and all, Java, and all these things are not prescribed in their structure syllabus. So we can use this for Tally, for internet purpose.
That you are telling yes.
For
Which
yes,
version of Tally you
yeah,
have to tell which version?
like. So all this is
Thank you, ma'am.
yes, thank you so much.
Starting very high,
For granted course, they are not changing.
क्या क्या बात है ये बात है हमारे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त थे so we are also good on my area also is a little bit
also.
Yes, yes, we will have.
Praful Pawar. I have come from University, Pune University.
Okay.
I
So,
am,
sorry, yes. There are no representatives of the university like USC.
where here?
सगळे येतात, सगळे आल्यानंतर काय होईल बॅचेस मध्ये ओळखी होती आले येतात वरती LSR घेऊन येतात.
There is a provision that one member should be like USC. So in what capacity you are here as a manager?
I reached
University nominee.
University
In the
nominee.
management program.
No, sir. To interact with the peer team.
The university has appointed you.
University has.
But there should be regular meeting like USC. There is some provision of one member from the university.
Yes, there is a provision.
But there was nobody in the morning. At least today, somebody must have come.
Dr. Hardeep Singh sir, member coordinator, NAP. Respected Dr. Gyandas sir, member NAP. Sir, Professor Baya Bagmare, Vice President of ABS, then Professor of Physics, Nuclear Physics, and he worked as Dean IIT Kanpur, and he is our academic leader in ABS. Shri Anandji Kulkarni, member governing body of ABS. Dr. Vijay Narkhede sir, Joint Director Higher Education.
Okay.
Dr. Anand Lele, Vice Principal. Professor Archana Doshi, Professor of English. Professor Shekhar Pathak of the Department of Commerce. Dr. Kirki Moda, Vice Principal. Dr. Deshpande, Secretary of ABS. Avirok Shirsagar, Chartered Accountant, Governing Body Member, Chairman, Local Managing Committee. Professor Praful Pawar, University Representative, Officer on Special Duty. Shinde sir, Vice Chairman of Governing Body. Our Chairman sir, Rajuji Saraswati, Chairman Governing Body. So once again, welcome you sir. And we shall have a discussion.
We have started discussing your city with them.
Yes.
So we have requested them that first of all the management committee should take certain positive steps. Like if any article is published in certain journals, that can be identified. Because some journals nobody has published the paper. So I just any incentive you can give. Say small token amount can also give so many incentive to the faculty. If the article is published in some journals, they would be rewarded on 15th August or 26th January, whatever it is. This has worked very well in so many institutions. Yes, and I also suggested so many places, and now I see that there are publications. Some little teacher is some egoistic person.
Just to promote them.
There's some ego there. Little
One thing I can add here.
50-20,000 per year.
3 years before, ABS has introduced one award for teacher. In higher education, one of the important component is research, teaching, learning, outreach, and something great done for the students, extracurricular, and research is one of the component. That is taken into account while giving the award. Dr. Ketki Modak and Geeta Acharya, both the teachers got award from ABS.
Maybe, but this should can give even 1 lakh rupees.
Yes.
Our university
That
gives
can
4
be
or
done.
5 awards
Yes.
in the faculty of humanity, social science, commerce, etc. 1 lakh rupees award. But unfortunately, nobody is up to that level. Unfortunately, research we were discussing, the research culture is slowly going from the higher education. And that is a very serious matter, so you have to also look into account.
It's a very good suggestion.
Yes. I think that will encourage them like anything. Just a token amount, they say that they feel pride of it.
So that
Though it is our duty.
Yeah.
But you know, nowadays we cannot say that it's your duty.
In our times, we never asked for this.
Yes, teacher is
Everything was
never behind these prices and all these things. But with the changing time, you must see all these things.
Sir, I would like to add something. Savitribai Phule Pune University has made a conscious effort in this direction that research should be promoted amongst the teachers of affiliated colleges.
Yes.
Now every year we make a budgetary provision of around 10 crores from the funds of the university. And the idea is the teachers in the colleges should submit their proposals to the university and some seed money up to rupees 3 lakhs. Every teacher, means 90% of the application usually are approved. and a seed money is given so that they can work on it, incubate that idea and go for bigger, larger research project which could be funded by the central funding agencies. So every year around 550 teachers get benefited by this scheme. This is continuously going on. It's a very novel initiative of the university. Apart from this, we conduct quality improvement programs, particularly for faculty, where eminent people, they come, visit and interact with the teachers, guide them, mentoring kind of exercise that goes on. This college has also participated in these activities, and I think around 3 to 4 teachers have got this research project from BCUD research project scheme of the university.
Sir, for very sorry, I know about the university. Projects are very easy nowadays given by the because less are takers and ample money is there. So publication only that can enhance research. Research methodology is very there. For project also, for example, in the so many people, the essence of the university system. You bring this and NOC and utilization certificate, and so many researchers have stop applying for the UGC major research project. I know how much accounts people they harass them. This is another dimension in the public sector. So unless and until if you give the publication, this encouragement can do a lot. And secondly, already I told the principal, the university representative must university representative, how frequently they are coming, they say no, he has not come in.
Who is the university representative, sir?
Presently, I am a dean of commerce faculty,
Yes.
and Dr. Zagde worked on the board of studies, and chartered accountant Bombe Patil was there, and many of teachers have suggested so many suggestions for the improvement of syllabus, and we have documentary evidence also.
No, sir has a specific point that in the constitution of IQSC there has to be somebody from the university.
Presently not. Presently not. We will do that. We will do that.
It is the duty of the university also to encourage the affiliated work.
We will do that. UR is there.
That's very good. We have revised all our curricula at least once in 3 years. I mean, all curricula have been revised.
Sir, you said nowadays it's very easy.
That is true, sir.
Nowadays people have started looking at every possible syllabus. We are not up to date, we are to be up to date.
Absolutely. So what we are thinking of, initially choice-based credit system was not there, which has been now implemented. That is why University of Pune has around 700 different curricula. So that revision itself is a very, very massive exercise. We have around 1,000 institutions affiliated to us. So you can imagine the entire affiliation span. So that's too big. Around 7.5 lakh students of the university. So I agree to you that it should be little more frequently. But choice-based credit system itself gives a lot of flexibility to the affiliated institutions.
I fully agree with you. But what we did in our university, we have also more than 300-400 affiliated colleges. What we developed the mechanism that there may be good A-grade affiliated college.
Right.
Suppose, for example, in Garwade College there is a very strong science faculty or commerce faculty. You give them this task. Okay, you will managing the meeting and everything. So this updation of the commerce program will be the responsibility of this college. Like science, like arts. I understand the university can never do. If you leave it to the university, there are so many other functions.
Syllabus restructuring, seminars and conferences are very good quality.
Sir, you also say
I've already been debating.
income. दोनों ले लेते हैं हमारी क्या which is best that we complete. He says this is Jain. I don't know what is Jain. Jain is only for Jains.
I don't know. Special jam food
Made
without
for jam.
garlic and onion.
Okay.
Oh, with garlic and onion.
Without garlic and onion. What I find probably is that there has to be more interplay between the various faculties. Like I find most of the people who are registered in this college as research scholars probably are in commerce branch only. But we can have an interplay of commerce law and IT, that kind of thing. Because the emphasis nowadays is on interdisciplinary kind of thing. And we can get very good results when we have an interplay between the various faculties. So I think this, since we have started the research center here, so it can be like a very good idea to have an interdisciplinary kind of thing. We're just to look at this kind of.
That's what I was saying. You're right.
We have to move
Centralized Nowadays, university has taken a lot many steps in reforms. For example, earlier, the question paper used to travel physically, I mean the printed form. And there used to be a lot of delay and you need to decide in advance which set of question paper and so on and so on. So we are online delivering the question papers to the centers. So the question paper arrives a couple of hours before the scheduled time of the examination. University has provided funding and provided adequate infrastructure in each affiliated college or in each examination center. The question paper gets printed under camera. Entire security arrangements are there, and we have successfully implemented this for last couple of years. Then there is barcode system, so the roll number and that need not be written. And from last year, we have started online assessment of the papers. So we scan all the answer sheets, and that is on-screen assessment. So slowly moving towards total computerization of the entire examination process. Pardon me, sir?
Type of question
Pattern.
No, pattern is whether it's descriptive or what?
Yeah.
It's totally descriptive. I mean, the question paper is similar to...
No multiple choice, nothing.
Multiple choice has been left for internal assessment, internal evaluation. For that, university has established a mechanism. Online, MCQ tests are conducted as part of internal assessment.
the answer books on the website.
No, we give the photocopies. We don't put all the answer books on the website because there is some breach of privacy even in that case. But if a student asks for, we provide them photocopy.
Yes, under RTI you will be.
Pardon me, sir?
Under RTI you are giving.
Under RTI, no one can ask for somebody else's copy. It's not under RTI. Himself, there is a formal procedure that a student can apply for revaluation. If he is not satisfied with the result, he can ask for a photocopy, and university provides the photocopy to the applicant. A physical copy is provided.
Free of charge.
Very nominal. It's a nominal charge. I think somewhere around 25 to 50 rupees, something like that.
He can ask under RTI also.
No, we have opened a formal channel for that.
If you form or not form, then you have to give not the issue. Only the thing is that because in our state the governor has asked you put all the copies on the website. All the yes, and best copies you just demonstrate.
Okay, without disclosing the identity. These are model copies.
And he said that the marking scheme should also be put on the website.
Even university is going to be next 2-3 years. The student will get the copies on the internet also. He can log in, he can see his copy, check the copy. That is possible. It is coming actually. Already university is working on it.
Some of the university they are doing the examination by through note. See, immediately it will go directly to the examiner. So valuation, everything will be done.
Answer sheet scanning is already happening. On-screen evaluation is already happening. So it will be very easy for us to provide those copies to the students directly so that they can log in and see their answer sheets. That's already happening.
If you do not change the syllabus, then students will not understand.
Income tax
Every year, yes. Some provision should be made in the syllabus to automatically it will change.
That is taken care of. Usually in the syllabus, relevant provisions of the Income Tax Act as applicable, so whenever it is taught, the current that is prevailing is only taken into consideration. And for that purpose, when we frame the question papers, they are usually this happens ki 3 sets and 1 set is used this time, second set will be used for the next exam. That doesn't happen for these subjects. So these remaining question papers are scrapped. I mean, suppose only 1 set is used, 2 are not used. So they are scrapped. Every time a new question paper is set.
Ultimately, what happens, notes go together for the years together. One professor of political science, at his time there was no Supreme Court. So he said, भारत में Supreme Court की आवश्यकता महसूस की जा रही है. तो उसके बाद के जो भी टीचर्स आए उन्होंने उन्हीं नोट से पढ़ाना शुरू किया. तो कभी कई साल हो गए सुप्रीम कोर्ट में, लेकिन बच्चों को ही पढ़ाते रहे. भारत में सुप्रीम कोर्ट की आवश्यकता महसूस की. Little improvements can do a lot.
Very good faculty.
What government is doing? You representing the government, yes. Secretary sir, what government is doing to the enhancement of the, I think main hurdle in the higher education is government.
No sir, not like that, not here in Maharashtra.
Good if it is so. If it is so, it is good. How, in what way you are helping the colleges and the university?
Colleges by passing in grants, sir. With
Grant, only
salary
salaries that you are getting.
Yeah, salary grant.
Only what will happen with the salary only?
Yeah, salary, non-salary, two types of grants we are giving, sir.
No, they say only salary is given by the.
No, non-salary also. After this, what you say,
Easy audit.
Audit. After easy audit.
Non-salary.
Non-salary we give 5% of the fifth pay. Whatever is decided by the government.
Only salary grant will be given by the government. Non-salary grant in the sense, what we have collected from the students in the form of fees will be kept in this non-salary account, where we have given some heads. But we have so many restrictions.
Yeah.
See, but
the ceilings are there. Many ceilings are there.
Oh, yeah, the government task is to put so many ceilings. That is only the thing.
So many hurdles.
That is true. I know that everywhere in state governments, the poor vice chancellor, what a poor vice chancellor can do is a state government. In our state, they charge even the total affiliation fees. They say some percentage you have to give to the government. Rather than giving, they take.
But here we don't take.
Vice Chancellor normally for reservation is there. So these two. Then university gives 4 subject experts. So one is 2 subject experts at one level and around 6 names at the second level, out of which the institution can take 3 names. So there is some choice left there. And the selection committee report goes to the Vice Chancellor who approves it. Only after his approval, the teacher is confirmed that to be selected.
For all self-financing also.
Everybody.
Rules are
Rules are set.
Yeah.
Rules are set. To university, all teachers are at fault.
Even yes, MES also not treating the self-finance and granted faculties as separate. We treat them as separate, same one. One example is he already told us. I am a secretary here.
In fact, the trend is changing. Government cannot support all posts, right? So that's the future. So the government wants these institutions to develop, mobilize their own resources. So nowadays, alumni support, donations, research funding, industry collaborations, all these activities are gaining never before kind of importance. So even university encourages affiliated colleges to create posts as per requirement through their own funds, self-supporting courses, and university treats them at par. The university campus, they have created around 250 such posts from own funds of the university.
Universities should also accredit the colleges.
Pardon me, sir?
Universities should also accredit their colleges.
Accreditation by the
colleges, E-grade colleges.
that we have left to you, sir.
No, universities of their colleges.
Yeah, You mean departments, university departments?
University should accredit their affiliated colleges.
Sir, we conduct internal quality audits, quality checks. Our committees come every year.
So at least at the time of admission, student must know that which colleges are.
That is not being done through NIRF, sir. That's a much wider platform. I mean, I don't believe there should be a duplication of this effort. NIRF is the right platform where students will understand not just under Pune University, but where does my college stand in the national scenario. So, and all these colleges have registered themselves for national ranking.
University already given award, the best college award. They providing the best college award every year. So that's why the student can know that this area, this particular college is a good one. So our college got the best college award from the university. So student can know that because of that identity, student can know that.
Yeah, one more aspect is that every year for continuation of affiliation, one committee, that is local inquiry committee, very senior people, professors come to college. Every year. For continuation of affiliation. And they observe all those things.
Till the time the college gets permanent affiliation.
What is the norm for giving permanent affiliation?
Never give. Every year they want affiliation.
Number one,
Last 3
principle.
years, there should not be any lacuna. For example, a committee comes this year and they find that teachers are not there, this is not there, some lacuna. So, continuation is given subject to certain conditions. Next year, if all conditions are clarified and there is no lacuna, so unconditional report. So, if 3 such unconditional report, the college gets permanent affiliation.
What about lacunas in the regulatory body?
All kind of lacunas. So, the LIC committee.
No, itself, university has so many lacunas in the country. But because the universities are regulated bodies, they are imposing so many things on the affiliated bodies.
Well,
one university has to go in the court that university is B grade and my college is A grade. Why I should be in the B grade? This case is going on.
We say colleges 100% should be.
I oppose being vice chancellor, I used to say, because we have the license. So we are imposing so many things we do not have. हाँ, पहले आप अपना घर सुधारो, पहले आपको तो देखो अपने आप introspect yourself. You don't have teachers in the so many faculties. The government is not giving permission.
Some court cases,
Court cases are going on.
audit objections, and all those things are always there.
Qualified staff. Most like in the university department, they don't have qualified staff.
That is the problem.
Yes, because of so many.
Immediately after the advertisement or the recruitment, someone will get stayed.
Right. Our university is A-grade university. Very recently, one university has been opened in the name of the tribal university. And our certain colleges have been shifted to it. They have gone to the court. So what is our fault? We never said that we will be having this university. We want to live with the A-grade university. And in the name of the tribal, who will get admission? Just political decisions they are taking.
Good afternoon, sir. On the behalf of Commerce Laboratory and Association, I, Dr. Sunil Zagre, welcome you all, sir, for the visit of our Commerce Department, it is Commerce Association, Commerce Laboratory. The laboratory came into existence since 2004 and progressively made the necessary changes for the time according to the requirements of the industry and the utility of the students. Actually, in Commerce Labs, we are conducting different types of activities. The main intention is that to improve the personality of the students and to provide the different types of information to update the knowledge. So this is the main intention of our Commerce Laboratory. We have categorized our various activities in 3 sections and distributed them amongst ourselves. First, objectives regarding this. These are the three objectives of our commerce laboratory. To acquaint the students with the commercial and business practices. Second one, to create awareness among the students about various current and upcoming issues in commercial and business fields. For example, this year we are conducting different types of activities. For example, Brexit, this is a new current topic. And also we are conducting a discussion and posters competition on the topic of GST also. Next one, to expose the students with all the forms and formalities to get the license, passport, PAN card, bank account, demat account. We are conducting some small camps for the students, and we are giving the information how to fill up the forms of demat account, how to fill the forms of passports and PAN. So we are conducting this activity. After that, I request to ma'am to give the information in internal activities.
Commerce Laboratory organizes various activities for students, amongst which the regular activity is today's special. In today's special, we have given the 6 subjects for 6 different days, and group members and group leaders will have to do a group discussion in front of the experts. They can use internet facility, they can use magazines or journals for their reference. They prepare their presentation in front of the experts who give them valuable suggestions. We are giving guidance to students on various form fillings like PAN, TAN, then ITR forms. We are giving them various annual reports of companies for ratio calculations and all. We are giving them the guidance regarding the professional courses such as CA, CS, CWA. And apart from that, we are organizing Commerce Olympiad. It is the competition which is organized for the college student, in which we conduct poster competition, PowerPoint presentation, debate competition and creative minds. Apart from these, on 21st of December, every year we celebrate Abasad Darware Smriti Day. Abasad Darware is a renowned entrepreneur, and by his name our college runs. On that day, we felicitate the toppers from Abasad Darware College as well as Darware College of Commerce. For the next set of things, I request Nate sir for the visits and the
Okay, sir. We are conducting different types of visits. Specifically, JNPT, National Stock Exchange, SEBI, CDSC, BSC. These visits we deliberately conducted because we must know the industry, what is the requirements of the students. And for example, JNPT, how we export the material from these ports. So we are giving this practical and theoretical information there. And in the case of Rajasthan City, actually Anna Sahib Hazare is a well-known person in our nation because everybody knows him. So how he developed his village. For that purpose, we already arranged that visit. Pure Bajar, Popat Pawar is a well-known person regarding that because every collector, every Tahsildar, after giving him charge, he first visit, suppose he appointed in Maharashtra, automatically he first visit that Pure Bajar. Because it's a small village, but how they provide, how they develop that small village for that purpose. Next one,
Next one, yes.
Yes. This is also national
activities.
Yes. National level Eco Fest, Goa, MES College of Arts and Commerce, Jawaharlal. Our college students, 10 students are participating in that conference, and they win some prizes. First prize, collage making competitions. Second prize, dance competitions.
Yes.
Our college, our students are visited in different places. For example, first prize, our students win there in MU College, Pimpri, that is a commerce school. More than 30 colleges have participated there. 15,000, 10,000 cash prize our students win. And 2016, also our students participated there, they win the second prize. And also inter-colleges competition every year, our students participated in different colleges. For example, in the PCRC, the BMCC, 2010 to 2011, 10 students are participated. So, Vishwakarma Management Institute, our students participated in 12. BMCC, MU College, our 13 students are participated. In St. Vincent and DCRC, 25 students.
We are seeing it next.
Yes. So, this is our future plan.
It is meant to understand what is there in business level, but what happens in the science level. there are equipment, there are chemicals, they do the practicals. Here, where is the lab? Visits you are doing in the lab. Opening an account, you go to the bank. Where it is the lab? You have the letter of credit. How to fill up the letter of credit?
Show them the documents which we have collected.
No, but it is not like the lab. Lab is something. You please go to the Hooghly and see the college. That is the regular meaning of it. Where there is the ATM machine. The students can just click and they get the money from there. There is the stock exchange. Is there any checkbook draft? What is the difference between check and draft? Letter of credit, can you fill it? In this small, you can show me
all documents.
Are you following this? You told me, in your presentation, online income tax. Form.
Yes,
All these documents.
we are giving training for the students regarding this.
So demat account, do you have practically opened the demat account in the name of the student?
No, we are
license, you say license, passport, it needs to every student.
No, sir, we are giving the training to them how to fill up the forms. And some students are already, we are taking this form fill up. Actually, these students are fill up the forms. We are giving them information. We are calling some experts regarding this.
Where are the computers? Only 5 computers. And how many students there?
Sir, more than 100 students are participating enrolled in Commerce Lab.
The enrollment is not, it should be compulsory for all students.
Actually, we are giving voluntary. Which students are more interested?
Engineers on business lab, you just go and see. I will request you. KL Society is Hooghly KL Society is really, I admit that I also first time I showed this. I thought that was the craze to see that there must be business lab like this. Being Pune, I thought it was must be better than that. These are all industrial theory are calling it business lab. कि हम फलाना जाते हैं बॉम्बे this board trust and we go there. It's a too.
So you must
Here
do
you should do
practically.
something.
You must do
Where is letter of credit? Very important thing in international trade. Very ticklish. If you have learned this student, then this is the letter of credit. Various types of the letter of credit, international business, what are the formalities? What are the various formalities? No, letter of credit you have put here. But how the student do they fill up? Can you fill it up?
Actually, sir, we are here for the guidance of the contract. We are not currently doing this course.
Then not beginning the theory, you are already studying.
Did you do all these things practically? See, for withdrawing cash from the ATM machine in the sense, you may study it theoretically. But practically you must do. Then only you will
Call it as a
how to withdraw the get back the money from the ATM center, how to deposit the money in the
Letter of origin you have the name letter. What is letter of origin? When you go for the export for things that you have to get letter of origin from chamber.
Then income tax filings. Income tax filings you must do it online by your own. Then you must know. Then some other clients come, you can do it because you will have confidence. But theoretically, theory is different from practical. Yes, when you do it practically, you will have some problem and the problems will be rectified then and there. Then after that, you will equip yourself, you will do it. 100 filing or thousands filing, you will do it. This is what we need, not only theory, but also we should do it practically.
Because the name of the business was any issue. If I would have been a parent, I would admit my word that yes, they are living the business life.
Okay,
Very good, but you
good. But theoretically good. You try to improve,
We welcome all of you in Department of Physical Education. So he is our student secretary, Sagar Palkar. He represents Pune University in All India Kho-Kho competition.
Or documentary evidence in which year?
Which year?
You show the sentence. Which year?
Actually, I have
Which year?
Which year?
SY 2000. You are a professor.
He is a student of FCOM Part 2.
किस साल तुमने रिप्रेजेंट
Represent किया हाँ, he represents state of Maharashtra in junior national kabaddi competition.
Which year?
2015.
Home India, football, intercollegiate. Intercollegiate.
हाँ, he is the member of last year Siagadh Kandak winner team Sanket and Om Pandya.
Represented the university.
No, intercollegiate.
The intercollegiate level.
My name is Arthur Bhavika, and I also
National player.
National player. She also represent Pune University in West Zone All India intercollegiate competition.
Intercollegiate. Okay. So intercollegiate.
My name is Rohan Adam. I am in intercollegiate competition.
Other achievements of the college. Our college is consistently winner in Kho-Kho intercollegiate. Last 16 years we are in first or runner-up position. क्रिकेट का भी टीम रहता है सर अच्छा, लेकिन यहाँ पे क्रिकेट का ग्राउंड नहीं है, हम बाहर बुक करते हैं और हमारा टीम जाता है क्वार्टर फाइनल। ग्राउंड यहाँ पे खो खो का है, वॉलीबॉल के 2 कोर्ट है, बास्केटबॉल का 1 है, लेकिन वो पुराना मड का है अभी, तो मड का ही है। और फुटबॉल हम यहीं पे खेलते हैं, वो अरेंजमेंट करके वहाँ पे करते हैं ग्राउंड।
और क्या फैसिलिटी?
हमारा जिम खाना है, जिम्नेशियम है ग्राउंड के उस बाजू में, वहाँ पे जिम्नेशियम है हमारा। वहाँ पे जो टीम का कबड्डी का सेशन रहेगा वो जाते हैं बच्चे, और अगर फिटनेस का सेशन रहेगा तो उधर जाके फिटनेस करता है।
हम तो कॉलेज की तरफ से स्कॉलरशिप वगैरह से नहीं होता है। जब हम प्रोग्राम में जाते तब 2-3 लाख का मुझे हमारे कॉलेज की तरफ से कॉल और भी बात बताओ, और भी खास बात।
हमारे कॉलेज ने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन किया था इंटर जोनल
क्या फैसिलिटी देते हैं बच्चों को? क्या फैसिलिटी देते हैं
यहाँ पे फैसिलिटीज?
अगर एग्जाम्स रहते हैं कॉलेज के, अगर हमारा कोई इवेंट रहता है स्पोर्ट्स का, तो हमें बाद में कॉलेज हमारा एग्जाम ये एग्जामिनेशन होके
पास करते हैं।
पास नहीं
ये तो करना ही पड़ेगा, इसमें क्या बात है? आप कॉलेज का नाम बढ़ाएंगे,
लेकिन वैसा नहीं होता, री एग्जाम होता है और यहाँ पे
करने पड़ेगा, इसमें क्या बात है? और
डाइट मनी
डाइटरी प्रोविजन नहीं है, लेकिन उनको मैच के लिए जब जाते हैं उनको 70 रुपये
की मिलती है।
अराउंड 600
बस
only t-shirts and shorts college will provide. Other track suit they will arrange for their
फुटबॉल में भी शूज का होता है।
शूज पर्सनल यूज कर
खुद को लेना पड़ता है। क्या फैसिलिटी है?
सर जो हम यूज़ करते हैं वही सर फुटबॉल के शूज़ का कैसा है, जो डेली यूज़ करते हैं वही मैच में यूज़ करना पड़ेगा। नया लिया कुछ एडजस्ट नहीं होता है।
कॉलेज को सुबह से लेना चाहिए, सुबह से
सर हर एक का पर्सनली अलग रहता है प्राइस।
अरे तो बाजार से खरीद के पर्सनली लाओ ना, आपके सब बोले थे फैसिलिटी। और ये कितना मिलता है टूर्नामेंट में जाके?
80 रुपीज़
बस का खाना चाय सब हो जाता है।
नो सर, ब्रेकफास्ट का अलग से रहता है, वो सब पे करते हैं। और
जोन
जो
वाइज
meal
लेवल
होता है,
के हिसाब से
वो मतलब हम जाते हैं नजर तो सर हमारे साथ होते हैं, स्टोरी पे करते हैं। हाँ सारे बच्चे, और उसके बाद एनुअल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन जो होता है ना, उसमें प्राइज मनी भी मिलता है, स्वेटशर्ट मिलता है और गिफ्ट वाउचर मिलता है स्पोर्ट्स वेयर का।
बस ये फिजिकल कमरा
हाँ ये छोटा
कमेटी है, फिजिकल कमेटी है।
कमेटी है,
क्या है?
उसमें प्रिंसिपल उमरान सर प्रेसिडेंट है, डॉक्टर आनंद लेले सर जिमखाना चेयरमैन है, मैं हेड बोल के काम देखता हूँ। ये स्टूडेंट रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है सागर, तनुजा देवी मैम BBA सेक्शन की, वो एक मेंबर है। मेरा क्वालिफिकेशन ML फिजिकल एजुकेशन सेट में, और मैंने स्टेट लेवल पे कबड्डी पार्टिसिपेट किया है, और ऑल इंडिया इंटर यूनिवर्सिटी में यूनिवर्सिटी की तरफ से कबड्डी रिप्रेजेंट किया है।
अर्जुन अवार्ड
सर है यहाँ पे हमने डिस्प्ले किया है. These are our awardee. These two are अर्जुन अवार्डी. ये पुराने हैं. वो 2009 का अभी 2013 में खो खो का शिव छत्रपति का डिस्प्ले किया है. 2013 में उसको मिला है, लेकिन वो ईयर 2009 का मिला है उसको. रूपाली शिंदे, लेकिन वो 2013 में डिक्लेयर हुआ.
अभी कुछ नहीं होता है. दिल्ली तो लाइन में है ना.
थैंक यू सर.
This exhibition is on Bara Balaji.
We have some curtains also.
Nobody here is there. Extra everything is there.
These are the 50 computer labs.
50. What is the contribution?
We have 10 computers and 2 servers. 2 vendors, 0 network. There are 10 computers are there, so those CPUs there.
How many servers?
2 servers, 1 for 4
What do you have in servers? What do you have in servers?
Yeah, 1 TB hard disk and 16 GB. Software and systems.
Software. Do you have any software also?
License server and for each unit there is an computer license server. Yes, sir.
What is the server you have used?
Kiva students project. Students are doing a project. So can you just want to see the demo of the project?
Demonstrations are tomorrow.
And the project exhibition.
What kind of machines are there? Which processor are you using?
So we have just got this machine, sir.
I5. 500 GB should not be. What RAM?
4 GB.
What do you do here? Any special software do you use?
Sir, actually in TYMCA we have Joomla CMS, Content Management System. So students work Joomla and .NET programming also.
Okay. But they have got a laptop. Where don't they use this?
No, actually we refer only laptops only for their projects. And for .NET programs, for CMS, they use only the...
Where is lab? Lab manual? Lab manual? Or lab notebook?
Yes, lab manual. Time.
These are the products. What about the practical knowledge?
We are only only .NET fixed printouts.
Hi.
Mr. Danke, Mayuresh Danke, counseling head.
He's a professional counselor, sir.
मयुरेश डंके विसरून जाओ सारे क्षण जो भी हमारे जिंदगी में हुआ है, भला हो या बुरा हो, उसे एक पल के लिए हम लोग भूल जाते हैं और इस पल को जीते हैं. जरा मिसा हो या होना, मतलब इस मोड़ पे जीते हैं, थोड़ा सा इस मोड़ का मजा लेंगे. जो कुछ भी हुआ है वो भूला बिसरा भूल जाएंगे और नई जिंदगी को शुरुआत करेंगे.
मैं को भी शिक्षा देना.
Yes, sir. This counseling center is motivated by the code, Dalai Lama, when educating the minds of our youth.
Visible is
Just please, yeah.
When
Could you
educating,
just
not forget to educate their hearts. So we are trying to educate the hearts of our students the counseling center. We have these following facilities at counseling center: aptitude test and career guidance, career counseling, psychological counseling, behavioral counseling, and life skills development. So these 4 issues we are focusing right now at the counseling center. Our mission to provide the most authentic and appropriate student counseling, parental counseling, and psychological testing and counseling. We developed commerce aptitude test. Differential aptitude test is the international test of career guidance and counseling. So we developed specific norms for commerce stream, for commerce guidance specifically, and we are experiencing good results in commerce aptitude test. Our facilities: stress management, counseling for behavioral and emotional problems, commerce aptitude test, study skills trainings for competitive exams.
Do the students come in with special kind of problems?
Yes. Behavioral problems
Same
and
group, especially some kind of problems.
teenage problems.
What are the tests you conduct for the student?
IQ test.
What is that?
And,
What are the components of that test?
This is non-verbal test.
Only IQ, EQ also.
IQ, EQ, and total model of aptitude test. That is differential aptitude test, approved by American Psychological Association.
Do you have the material?
Right now we don't have, because we have to bring it from our central center of MES, that is Personality Development Center. So we test it from there. We have a central psychological development center of MES. We get test from there, that center. So we used to bring the test.
What year?
Testing result reports.
This is what you.
Yes, aptitude test result reports.
What are the components of test I want?
5 abilities we count generally:
What is that?
verbal reasoning, abstract reasoning,
How
numerical
you do
ability.
that? Verbal reasoning, how you do?
Psychological standardized psychological test is there of American Psychological Association's aptitude test. We do that aptitude test
How
for
you do
students.
you explain this?
त्याचा format.
Yes.
Huh.
What are the questions in there? Whether it's a some objective or what? How
It's
you-
a objective kind of test.
Yes.
5 options are there. The student have to calculate the
Show the
answer.
paper. What type of questions you ask? It is in their college.
It's a basic document.
It's a theory.
Yes, sir. And how we have arrived it. That's a basic document.
Where are the statistics, data? You are interpreting data, but where is the data?
Sir,
How many students you counsel?
right now, counseling center just started. So right now we
Okay.
have
Just
100
verify.
cases.
Do you have the address, name of the
Yes.
list?
Yes.
Sir, just means when it is
The
started.
date.
2014 we have started.
Not just means does not mean yes.
Then you said just in the sense
No, no,
it may be
In
2016.
2014
When the
we
girl
have started.
maybe
Yeah,
before
then you
that,
realize, yeah.
And we counsel 100 students. This is the data. 100 students, the names, the reference, and their problems are there. Guidance for career and behavioral issues. Some.
Do you have the signature of the students?
No.
They came for the
Counseling is a confidential procedure, sir.
whatever it
So-
may be, it should be recorded
confidentially by you. Yes.
Yeah.
So we have the record on computer.
Yeah.
But
again, this is
students
not
should be,
confidential.
No, we are showing to you.
Yeah, manually, if you get the signature in the sense, see the students, we can understand these are the students visited in the counseling center, you counsel with the students. In the computer, we can add the data.
Say anything.
So you have that file of drought affected students, right? Have you submitted to the NACO?
Yes.
Okay. So you will see
that
it in
file
NACO.
is at NACO.
Okay.
Yes.
It's there in NACO.
So you are permanently based here?
Yes.
Full time?
Yes, full time.
When you come full time?
Every day I used to come to college.
3 days.
3 days in a week. But many times students call to me that I want to meet you urgently. So I came to college.
So you are coming for 3 days and getting salary for 6 days.
So as far as I know, he's on the role of MES. So 3 days he contributes here, and 3 days in some other MES institution.
Personality development.
So exploiting you.
No sir. Students used to call me and then again come to college in another 3 days. Otherwise, I used to be there at Personality Development Center of MES.
But due to his presence on the campus, the behavioral issues of the students have reduced to the greater extent. Otherwise, they are getting hyper.
In our university, there are so many students.
So he's also into a kind of music therapy. He tries to have Ghosh Pathaks and all that for students to inspire them and get.
Today evening we are going to witness maybe for 1 minute we are going to sing. He
Not
will
music, he'll make this instrumental music.
Big instrument.
It starts right from clap loudly, you will feel happy kind of thing.
And since 10 years, I am doing my role as a music therapist also for stress management and relaxation therapist.
That we also need.
We have the music therapy sessions over here only.
Tomorrow.
We give the tracks. Yes, definitely.
Today evening you will see his music therapy, sir.
Yes, definitely.
He has done his MS from German. He was there. He is doing his PhD from
United Nations Peace University, London.
He is doing his PhD.
Right now I am doing a PhD in cardiac counseling. Cardiac counseling is the new branch in psychological counseling. So I am introducing.
And such one of the unique feature about the commerce aptitude test.
Yes, I told him about the commerce aptitude test.
You elaborate on that because
yes,
that is our USP. Please.
Yes, commerce aptitude test is a unique norms aptitude test because nobody tries in psychology to develop the norms for commerce specialty only. So I tried that to develop some psychological testing norms in commerce stream, and we developed commerce aptitude test which have 3 major points. That one is verbal reasoning, other one is numerical reasoning, and third one is abstract reasoning, so that we can judge the aptitude of students according to the commerce. So we developed the specific norms for professional commerce and specific norms for traditional commerce. Students are really getting benefit because in basic academics from 1st standard to 10th standard they don't have any subject of commerce like accounts or organization of commerce and all. So they come to commerce and they get
See, as I said, many students who come from the rural area, the moment they get say 80%, 90% in 12th standard, they rush to the city and they go for say CWA, CA, CS kind of courses. And over the period of time, they get to know that, oh, this is not my area. In order to stop them from demoralizing, demotivating, and then later on repenting on their decision, he is an instrumental to indulging into the discussion and everything, and then he tells them, oh, I think you should change the street now.
Right now we have done many aptitude tests and students are thinking on that option because they are thinking that no, I don't know before selecting the commerce, I don't know that this is also a career through commerce. So now they are looking for more opportunities, they are looking for more avenues, and they are thinking about competitive exams, they are thinking about their skill development. Commerce aptitude test, again one focus is there, that skills development of the students. So we judge the students that also.
Also 5-10 students tomorrow to meet us.
Yes sir, students. Many students are there.
Actual test sheets also from MES.
At the
English, so I take down podcasts from British Council website or something and put them for them to. Currently, we are listening to Chenda Coach's interview, sir. The students listen to them. I had already taken out some questionnaire for them. And I told them, now you've got to imagine that you have conducted this interview. Listen to this interview clip, jot down the points, and now write it down as if you have actually conducted this interview. So that is the way they learn.
Why don't you make them conduct the interview itself?
Sir, in the second term I have designed, right now because it's not there, there are some advanced, this is an activity that I have recorded for advanced levels. That in the second term they are going to actually go and interview some people from tourism sector, from banking sector. They are going to go conduct the interviews and write a report in the journal. As I said, journal work is not made compulsory by university, but we make them have these journals.
God will show them that what they have done.
Yes, sir. And And there is also a unit on communication skills, that is dialogue. So in the classrooms we have role play situations and imaginary situations. And here from the podcast, so there is Ascent software that is loaded over here, and students who are interested in doing that course, it is a self-paced learning course, and we do facilitate the course generally from just before, because ours is a wing which is afternoon shift, 11 o'clock. So 9 to 11 we make this shift available, and students who are interested in doing that course at the self-paced learning that happens.
Let's focus on this.
So,
Why do we have a language lab here?
So we have a language lab basically in order to ensure that the students are competent communicators. The field of
Everybody has to
commerce.
come. There is no selection.
So what happens is it is 600 students versus 20 unit of language lab. Yeah. So that's why what I try to.
There is no choice.
No, there is no choice, but there are batches that I put. So all 600 students do this.
Okay. Second thing is like, what is the training mechanism?
The training mechanism, because I'm the single faculty in English, it is personal training 1-to-1 plus audio-visual training.
How do you train them? What kind of software do you use?
Software is Ascent software that is
Sir,
available.
we have Ascent software there. You can have a look. Yes, yes, yes. Sir.
First thing is they must know, they don't know most of the words. First is similarity word.
Yes.
If they come to know of the word and their meaning, then how to pronounce it.
Yes.
Then is the sentence construction.
Yes, sir.
How do they do all these features?
So they have offered English till 12th class. So I assume the basic competency as regards the vocabulary. And at the second level, what I try to do, particularly my communication skills, I try to divide this into small speech acts. So how do you greet and what are the remarks when you part. So I
That is
did
okay.
a
That is fine. Once they know English, they will do it.
Yes.
How do you make them know English? That is the point.
Well, it's what
Software
does the software do in this regard? The
software
What does the software do?
There are units designed from basic English to vocabulary.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
We have purchased it. Ascent software is there for spoken English.
And it has got this graded kind of mechanism, as you are saying, right from.
So the student first comes, he or she is exposed to that software.
Yes.
He or she learns computing.
Yes.
How do we complement improvement that's taking place?
So there are built-in tests, and the student has to go through those tests immediately. The reports are generated then and there, and he has to go ahead with the course at his own pace. So some student might go to unit number 30.
Do we have any
some might-
recording of those tests? Those who have undergone those tests?
Advanced learning. Kind of advanced learning.
Not exactly. We don't keep an evidence of that. This is a set-paced learning.
All is different, we are talking about language, it's all right that students are not in.
Yeah, we have a software development center. Under that, we have workshops here in
And we give them certificates.
Not certificate courses.
Yeah, it is a
It is a certificate course.
certificate
We can give
for
the
attending the
We have mock interviews conducted over here. We have mock vivas done over here.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Would you like to see our college magazine? That is Viveka. Every year it is published. And she is editor.
Sir, in fact, this is in English.
Marathi and English as well.
So, ma'am makes use of the
5 stages of the economic growth of Professor Rostam. Anybody in the class? 5 stages of economic growth. What is the difference between growth and development? Anybody in the class? What is growth and what is development?
Growth is a part of a development, and development is a development of a whole, and growth is a part of a development.
Anybody else?
Growth is the expansion, development is improvement.
So I have read somewhere that entrepreneurs are born, they are not made. How do you react to this statement? Entrepreneurs are born, they are not made with the BBA education and IAS and MBA and all.
Entrepreneurs are born with innovative ideas. Means no one can pressurize the entrepreneur to get the innovation in the business plan.
specialized in professional facilities. What this words?
So,
What it conveys?
entrepreneurship cannot be given by education. It should be within itself that I want to become an entrepreneur. I want to get innovate basically the economy.
So you are agreeing with this statement?
Yes.
You cannot be this is commerce student. Acha, one is said that good economics is a bad politics. And good politics is a bad economics. What do you understand by it? Good economics is a bad politics. And good politics is a bad economics. One more statement. Poverty anywhere is danger to prosperity everywhere. Again I repeat. Poverty anywhere is danger to prosperity everywhere. Who said this? You are BBA students. You must have come from the 12th to common background. All of you.
Most of you.
Most of you.
First year.
First year students. Who is the student highest marks in the class? 12th he got highest marks. First in the merit year in the class. Okay, what we are teaching? Administration. Business economics I asked this question. All these are related to economics. What is the difference between business economics and management economics?
Business economics and management. Okay, good.
Good, best of luck. बढ़िया अच्छा तरह से. And there the Garware College student, you should be distinct from others. This was your first choice or just by the way you got the admission?
Also.
This was your first choice or second choice or third choice? Honestly, all. Honesty is the best policy.
Yeah. Maybe any student can.
All have the first choice here or first choice? Then you came in the second choice or third choice or third. All for all. Anybody is honestly, someday you might not have given the admission because of percentage. Then you must have come in the board, that next thing is coming. Some research
This
center.
has been there since its establishment.
It happens everywhere.
Sir, please. Honey. Sir.
Welcome, sir. Please, sir.
George Washington 5.
This is our research and consultancy group proceeding book. Then this is regarding this is PhD pre-registration presentation. And this one is regarding pre-submission of PhD Viva registration. Research Center.
Here nobody is from external member.
No sir, this is purely internal, research consulting group is purely internal.
But for the presentations and we have called the external.
Experts, we call experts for the presentation purpose. On the role of IQAC, quality enhancement.
This is of the students' competition.
Here students have given the presentation.
Yes.
Yeah.
But no comments, what were the reaction, what are the observations of the committee?
Sir, they are on different, I'll provide that. Okay.
इतना जल्दी बढ़ा लोगे?
First of all, na present and every remark is there. This is respect to all the students.
This is the format. But it cannot be why does this side or this side, why is segregation? Why? Your boy cannot be your friend. Why is it like this?
Actually, they are not first year, so they didn't get time.
They did not, yeah.
It's only till second month of
You secondary start sitting together, they will learn.
like sitting together in the staff.
Very close, yeah, but
He is the mentor.
very, very rare.
He is the mentor of Lizelle.
What is from the industry, sir?
Good.
Welcome to Lizelle.
What is happening here?
First of all, I would like to introduce the recent family members who are present over here. Mr. Pradeep Kopadekar is a member of Mentors Panel of Entrepreneurship Cell. He has worked with many companies at higher positions like Mercedes-Benz, Mahindra and Mahindra, and he is closely associated with our Mentors Panel, and he is a member of the Mentors Panel and closely associated with the activities of Entrepreneurship Cell. We have here Pastoral Entrepreneur Successful Startup. He is Mr. Pundik Pal. He is now the director of 4 companies. Namrata, she was the past ESL leader. She was the leader of last year, dynamic leader, and she had worked with Entrepreneurship Cell for 5 years. She is having her household business, and also she is working with Deyasra, with whom we have tied. It is the foundation of Dr. Ananda Deshpande Persistent Systems Limited. So all these family members of Entrepreneurship Cell are present over here. First of all, I would brief you about the functioning of Entrepreneurship Cell, and every one of them are going to share their views. Entrepreneurship Cell is a dedicated platform for budding entrepreneurs. We started activities with the motivational activities, but now the activities are not only restricted to motivational activities, but we are trying to provide networking and mentoring support to budding entrepreneurs. So now the activities have been integrated into business incubation program. The ultimate object is to convert the job seekers into job creators. This is the vision, and the main objectives are to sow the seeds. Yeah.
You go ahead.
To sow
Go
the
ahead.
seeds. We have mentors panel.
No need. No.
So I would like to request him to share his views as mentor.
That we want to listen.
His experience with Entrepreneurship Cell.
Well, basically now you will find me in the different forums because first of all I am a past student of this college. I am a parent also. My son did his graduation and doing the first year post graduation. I am also associated with entrepreneurs cell as well as number of activities like the placement cell and so on. I think in various forums you will find me now. Basically, when we developed this idea of incubation, we thought that okay, just only for creating staff or the employees, we should create an entrepreneurs so who can generate the employment. So I'm in the industry for last 38 years, and I work for a companies. There are a number of companies which includes Bajaj Auto, KPIT Cummins, so on. It's a big list. So also I am a vice president of Association of Friends of France, and I am well connected with France also. So that experience is also helping here. I had a responsibility of chief internal auditor of Mercedes-Benz, KPIT Cummins, and Kirloskar Oil Engine. And this II, which is a global organization, Indian the Institute of Internal Auditors, headquarters in Florida. I'm a vice president for Pune sales. So I'm connected with many industries. So I thought that for my college, for our students, let us use those network. So that network I'm using for our college. Besides that, when we started this activity, so there should be some motivation for the student, not only just giving the ideas, but making them their business model and making it more successful. I think Madam will cover it that also, but everything needs funds. So generating the funds from the market, connecting with the industry, and creating the awareness in the student community, that is more important. So that's what we are doing it.
What you have done in this regard?
First of all, I'm mentoring them. So any student, I'm just available on phone call. Coincidentally, I stay very close from the college, but I'm available on phone all 24/7. My business as well as my college also. So if any student need any kind of guidance, any kind of support, I try to provide them. That is one thing. Secondly, every year we have number of activities. So I participate in all these activities, generating the funds, inviting some speakers, connecting with the students. So those kind of things we do.
How many workshops you have organized through entrepreneurs?
Number of
What type
workshops
of-
are
what type of
organized.
workshop you
For
organize?
example, business idea generation workshop, business plan workshop, business model preparation workshop. We had organized business orientation program which included all these things. So 35 contact hours business orientation program was organized. And he had participated when he was a past student. He had participated in those programs, and thereafter he came back and participated in the business orientation program to motivate other students. So I would like to request him his experiences.
So then again, now the UTC will provide funds for establishing entrepreneurial cell. Yeah, did you apply for the UTC?
Actually, Department of Science and Technology through these programs are organized in technology-based technology institutions or engineering institutions and management institutions only. Business incubation program on Commerce College campus is happening only on our campus, and such kind of funding is not available for incubation program on Commerce College campus. That funding is given through DST to technology institutions, engineering institutions only. For entrepreneurship development cell. But for that also, those funds are also available only for entrepreneurship development cells of management institutions where management programs are there. Students to generate idea, they are not able to generate idea. But after going through the workshop, they become able to generate idea of hundreds of ideas are generated within 3 minutes of time. So they come across number of opportunities when they network with. When she got network with him, we got to know number of opportunities in her field. So one connect can give a birth to number of opportunities. So,
awesome.
These are the faculty members. I'll start introduction from and this is Kapoorja Devi. I've completed my account management master's in management and pursuing my PhD in agriculture. Now I request Nandita Madam to introduce.
I am Nandita Kulkarni, coordinator for BCS, MCA. I have done BCS, MCM and MCA.
I am Priyanka Jain. I completed my MCA in taking computer networking and electrical systems.
Hello sir, I am Arvind Salve. I have recently completed my NET from Commerce. I have done MCOM, BCA and MCA.
I done my MBA in HR and I am teaching human resource management and business governance.
Where did you do your which college?
From Nagpur University to I am Sushmita Nandre. I am an MSc MBA and I have 18 years of industry and teaching experience. And I teach general management and operations related subjects.
Myself Shamila Kavadi. I have done my MCOM, SET and ICT leader, and I am teaching accounting and management accounting related subjects. I am pursuing my PhD in theory of family business. Family business in USA. Yeah.
Family business, that's very important.
Hello sir. So I am Rajesh Mehta. I am visiting faculty in Garwari College of Commerce. I am a practicing chartered accountant and I have done my masters in commerce and bachelor's in law. I also get qualified in April 2000.
MCOM also? MCOM?
Yeah. I teach subjects of taxation and accounting related.
Sir, I am Vasant Abhyakar. I am also a visiting faculty. I am a BA Mechanical. I have around 35 years of experience in automobiles and distribution in supply chain logistics.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. My name is Sumit Gaikwad. I teach management subjects to BBE, BCS, BBM, IT. And I have completed my MBA in marketing and I have completed my SET.
Good evening sir, I am Gajanan Philip. I have completed my LLM in MPM. I am teaching legal aspects of business.
But that just coming, next you has come, you have been called and you have come. But what are the concrete steps you have taken for the betterment of this project? What you have repaid for this project? You've seen IIT, in IIT's crores of rupees the alumni have given for the, because the higher education cannot be dependent only on the government now. We cannot expect sky is the limit. And now you know that the level of the higher education, every day and every moment, now we will have to up to tomorrow, not up to the day. And in such circumstances, it is the crucial role of the alumni. Because the stakeholders of this higher education are students, teachers, and alumni too. So your role, just not only that college has given you so many things, but what you have given to the institution that you did. That I would like to know. Secondly, there are the parents also. My request would be, you must have so many expectations once you admitted your bar in this college.